Namaste. Welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today let's understand what are the problems that you face when you have a toilet in the southwest corner. So when you have a toilet in the southwest corner, especially we see nowadays in the flats and apartments, they are constructing this southwest toilet which is attached to the master bedroom. Exact southwest, who is there? Rahu Maharaj is there, as we all know about it. He is a Rakshas. So highest negative energy that we get from southwest, like this. Okay, highest positive energy comes from here northeast. How I am telling the how highest northeast energy that you are getting from here is like in the early morning the sun rises. When the sun is rising, there is a lot of energy coming from the early sun. As we all know that sun radiates the vitamin D. Our body needs the vitamin D. As we know, in the old houses, they used to keep an opening in the east and the northeast. The sunlight enters your house, and whatever the sunlight is coming to your house, it will kill the bacteria. It will removes the negative energy whatever there inside the house. So the radiation of the sun, the light of the sun itself produces lot of positive energy. So northeast is a zone where we get lot of cosmic energy entering to the house, as well as when it comes to the southeast, so lot of negative energy enters from southwest. So if you do a toilet here there, so you would have experienced sudden death in the house of the family, sudden accidents in the head of the family. As soon as when you start construction itself, the construction will not go in a full swing. You may feel delay in the constructions. Even after construction, if you are living in this house, even if you have made your house so positive, so well designed, you feel very negativity inside. No proper sleep. You have a poor sleep, and also you may face lot of health issues when you have a toilet. The major chronic health issues like cancer, which is incurable disease, you may face that kind of issues when you have a toilet here. Now already I have a toilet or bathroom. What is the solution? I can't break the wall, right? I have done many remedies, not giving any results. Here is the Neutron 9X that we are introducing. This is used by DHM technology, okay, with lot of research and scientifically proven with scientific Vedic yantras. So this is called neutrons. So once you fix this neutron inside the bathroom, so whatever the flush you are doing inside the toilet, the gases are released and energy, negative energy is produced there. This neutron is going to remove all the negative energies in the bathroom, and really it will be a great relief, and you can see major changes when you install this neutron. So this will definitely remove all kind of negative energy which is there in the southwest. This can be placed wherever is the highest negative. Suppose there is no toilet, you have a road here like corner side, the southwest corner. Even if you don't have a toilet, the corner sides in the southwest will radiate lot of negative energy. Whoever your bedroom is here, if you are sleeping there, even there you cannot bear this energy. We humans, we cannot bear that. Rahu energy is so powerful. You feel very negative, sleep disturbance, negativity at home, fights at home. You don't know what is that happening in your house. So this neutron will remove the complete negative energy for this any kind of southwest problems. Either cut you have, either extension you have, either L-shaped road you have, or T junctions you have, or toilet you have. For all those southwest problems, negativity problems, this is a super and wonderful neutrons which is scientifically proven. For more details, you please contact to the below numbers. And if you want any kind of Vastu guidance or Vastu remedy details, please contact the below numbers. Will definitely help you with the guidance. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Namaste. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.